All right, y'all, we're gonna do an unboxing on this radiator that was sponsored. Oh man, right off the rip.
Ooh, a hat.
They gave me some gear. What's this? Cold case billet radiator cap. Wow, let me take a look at that there.
They gave you a dome accessory.
Damn. I just open that bad one. Let's take a look at this here, y'all. I don't know if that comes with it or if that was extra.
That's
Ooh. That's nice there, boy. Dang. Cold case, y'all got it going on already. I ain't even pulled the radiator out yet.
What is that?
But yeah, shouts out to Cold Case, man. They gave me a deep discount on this. I still had to pay for it, but I got a deep discount on it, made it all worth it. So this is an unboxing of that, and then hopefully once I get it flushed, we'll be swapping it out. All right, let's see what's the best way to go about getting this out. Benjo, come hold the box.
I ain't got no shirt on.
Oh, never mind. Ben ain't got no shirt on, y'all.
I hold the camera.
I don't want to show the belly rolls.
Yeah, I don't want to show my Horizon rolls. I'm on sale though.
Oh, and it's like cold case on it.
Holy.
That's sick. Look at them wells. Look at them wells.
Dang.
Some great type wells.
You welding like that, my boy?
Yeah.
Dang, man, this is sick. Wow. Stress relief clips. Lifetime warranty and 60-day cool guarantee. Shouts out to Cold Case Radiators. Oh, you know what? I want to get a little picture. About a truck. Here. Let me put the camera down and get us a picture, y'all. We'll be right back with y'all. All right, they definitely upgraded your boy, I believe. Look. It's already got one on it.
No, you ain't.
Ooh, wee.
You can't hit me.
Original.
Oh yeah.
Cold Case. Shouts out to Cold Case Radiators, man. Y'all can go to their website, coldcaseradiators.com. I'll put a link on the screen and in the description. So y'all go check them out. They got different kind of radiators for all kind of everything you can think of. These are the big boy radiators for the 454s. They also got them for the regular trucks, 1500s, everything, anything you can think of. Other makes, models, brands. So shouts out Cold Case Radiator. We'll be using this soon. Once I get this thing flushed out completely, then I'll put on the clock fabrication coolant reservoir, this Cold Case Radiator, and man, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So thank y'all, Cold Case. I was about to put it back in the box, y'all. Look, I got a banner in there. Damn. They had a banner in the bottom of the box. I'm finna shove it back in there. That's slick right there. Yeah, when it's time to install, I'll hang it on the side of the house and show it a few times in the video.